So at 5 o'clock, it has been shut down and sealed off to outsiders now for 3 months.
Well, now the first open sign has appeared among the devastated stores and shops in North Dallas's Preston Center since last year's tornado. It's a story you'll only see here on CBS 11. JD Miles joining us live from Preston Center off Royal Lane, inside the first business to reopen its doors. JD?
Brooke, about 30 employees have been waiting since October for this bakery to finally reopen, making today sweet in more ways than one. Amid the rubble of an iconic North Dallas shopping center, a sign of life has appeared.
I got 2 cakes today. My mom is in the hospital, and I wanted to brighten up her day.
Okay, what flavors would you like?
It's only fitting that the sign of life has cakes to celebrate it.
And I have to say, every time I drive by this shopping center, my heart I get a lump in my throat, and I couldn't wait for the stores to be back open so that I could support them.
Ann Gunther was one of the first customers to visit the reopened Nothing Bundt Cakes location in Preston Center, which is the first retailer to open its doors since a tornado in October devastated every business in the Dallas landmark.
Our initial thought was we will rebuild, but it would take about 2 to 3 weeks, and it took about a little over 3 months. We were a little surprised on the length to rebuild everything.
Operator Ashley Rios made sure there were balloons outside to welcome customers who face navigating around an area that remains mostly sealed off. Some parts of the shopping center will be demolished, while others still face uncertain futures.
Yes, we would love for foot traffic to increase. We want people just to know we're back. Whatever your needs are, from birthdays to the big game coming up, we want to serve you and bring joy to everybody. And what brings more joy than cake? Nothing Bundt Cakes sent out about 23,000 emails to its longtime customers, reminding them that they are back in business, and from the looks of it, they're getting a lot of customers who are returning here today. Live in Dallas, JD Miles, CBS 11 News.